All right, we're asked to solve this equation, p cubed minus 16p equals 0. There's a couple different ways to solve equations. What we're going to use in this case is the zero factor property. The first step there is to set one side of the equation equal to 0. And the good news for this equation is that we have one of our sides set equal to 0 already. The second step then is the non-zero side, or the side with the polynomial. Our job is to factor that completely. And so to go through those steps somewhat quickly here, I'm going to factor out a p out of both of these terms. So this is the first step, always looking to factor out the greatest common factor. And then if I can factor more, which I can in this case, this inside the parentheses is the difference of squares. That factors into p plus 4 times p minus 4. So this expression would become this. Alright, so again, our two steps are set one side equal to 0 and completely factor one of the other side. And then what we do is we're going to take each of these factors on this left-hand side here, this p, the p plus 4, and the p minus 4, and we set all of those equal to 0 in their own separate equations. And so we'll do that here on the side here. The first equation is p equals 0. The next equation is p plus 4 equals 0, and the last equation is p minus 4 equals 0. And then we solve each of these equations. So we have three equations. We'll solve them. The first here, p equals 0, well, that's already solved. P equals 0. The second equation here, I would subtract 4 from both sides to get p equals negative 4. So that's my second equation. And this third equation, I would add 4 to both sides to get p equals 4. So those are my three solutions. I have p equals 0, p equals negative 4, and then p equals positive 4. So I'd enter those answers as the three solutions to the original equation.